Hello, this is Anthony with the travel site You, Me, and the Doc. Today, we're on Cape Cod, Massachusetts in Woods Hole, which just happens to be where Nobska, behind me, Lighthouse is. This lighthouse originally was built in 1828, and since then it's gone through quite a few renovations. It is actually still an active lighthouse. So here in a few minutes, we're going to go take a tour of it. So stay tuned. There's the Nobska Lighthouse looking out onto Vineyard Island and beyond. It is absolutely fabulous here. We got a slight ocean breeze and the water looks fabulous. It's a beautiful blue